So guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating YouTube channel guys. So dito, another day, another printing na naman tayo guys. So ito, yung ginawa natin ngayon. So nagawa tayo ng personalized na t-shirt printing. Yung customer pala natin guys ay nag-order ng full sublimation t-shirt printing para sa kanilang prenup or wedding pictorial guys. Ayan. Yan yung ano natin. Babaan natin yung brightness ng ano natin, camera. So ayan yung pinagawa sa atin. My name sa likod, tapos sa front may nakalagay na Team Groom. Ayan. Gusto nila unique na ano, wedding pictorial guys, kaya nag-request sila sa atin. Gawa natin sila ng full sublimation na t-shirt printing guys. So yung ano pala nila, yung date of ano pictorial is July 18, kaya yung nakalagay dito sa sa front and back is number 18, and then my name dito, personalized na name dito sa likod, and then dito sa front is may nakalagay na Team Groom. Yan guys. So dito guys, quality yung ginagawa natin. We are aiming for the best quality for our clients to be satisfied for our product guys. So ayan. Yan na yung ano niya, piniprint. After dito guys, proceed na naman tayo sa heat press. T-shirt heat press. Doon na natin gawin yung ano natin, tailoring natin guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching, and then don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, just comment down below. And then if you want to know more about printing services, just visit our YouTube channel. We have a lot of there printing tutorial about printing tutorial. If you want to know the basic skills about printing tutorial, I have there. Meron tayong ginawang tutorial for heat press, for printing sa mga maliliit na mga printer, paano pag-assemble ng lanyards, paano paggawa ng sublimation mugs, nandun din yon. Meron din mga tutorial for stickers. So if you are interested for our tutorial, just visit there guys, and then malalaman nyo yung mga basic na mga skills, how to print, and then how to assemble every materials we have there in our YouTube channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye guys.